Good morning, guys. Trader Joe here. Wednesday morning, and we are here.
Order filled.
Just to, Pal just
Order
started
filled.
speaking. You can see that. Put our first trade on. That was a winner. I'm not going to go back and forth between screens because I'm just using the cheap built-in recorder on my Windows platform. And probably like I said before, let's try and actually buy this thing right here.
Order filled.
Oh, we got it. Just took along at 53. We'll see how that works out.
Order filled.
What was I saying?
Order filled.
Lost my. Oh yeah, not gonna change my screens. Sorry guys, I'm tired this morning. Because I don't want to be loading up multiple parts of videos. That's kind of annoying for you guys. And more work for me. But yeah, starting a little late. Clock's at 9:01 Central Time, which is 7 o'clock my time. And markets are just consolidating in this area that I came into, but we had a couple wick breaks that we've taken, so we're probably up almost 500, maybe like 450, something like that. Been really hot here up in the Pacific Northwest. We've been in the hundreds for the last couple days. I think I will take this long, or this short, I mean, above that long wick. It's 70. But anyway, yeah, so I'm pretty burnt out from this heat. I mean, the stress that the heat puts on your body when you're not acclimated to it is pretty brutal. Makes it hard to sleep, hard to stay hydrated, drinking water and all that, they tell you to do. I'm doing it, but I'm still feeling burnt from this weather, so I took some extra time this morning to just meditate and not really hurry to get to the markets. I'm going to close this. The way the market's just consolidating there, it could really squeeze hard, so yeah. I know I said I wasn't going to stop this recording, but I'm sorry about the loud sippings. I should try to cover this microphone or something. It's really sensitive. But yeah, now I'd actually probably want to see if this thing actually squeezed quite a bit higher. So I'm going to actually take a quick minute. I'll be right back. What did I say? Market consolidating, look for the bigger squeeze. I missed the really good entry up here around 79, but there it is again. Let's try it.
Order filled.
It could keep squeezing here, but and we are chopping around entry. We're always just looking for the quick pull back in, which we're not getting. We're getting the squeeze higher, so and we might just get squeezed out of this. Let's see, we're still around entry, which is tempting just to take it off at break even on this one, but I kind of like letting the trades play out. And
Order filled.
letting it play out worked out. We got one of our targets. Might bounce out of break even at the other one, but let's wait and see.
Order
And
filled.
target 2 acquired, which is nice. And this red wick candle, I do like taking a longer underneath it. Let's see if we get a fill on 69. So we're probably up, what, 600 and 75 or something. And if this fills, I don't know, we'll have to watch it, but if it fills, yeah, we didn't get it. Not a bad spot to try and short again, honestly. But yeah, obviously I didn't really want to short this because I had this consolidation, we had the break and the retest. I was trying to get a quick little extra sweep, which I didn't get, and like I said, I was actually gonna go for a higher target potentially. Didn't get it, but you know what? I think I will see if when we I don't know. Sweep this candle up to 90. See if we get the quick pull that I like.
Order filled.
Back to 85. Yeah. We're pushing a little, so we might not, but we're basically round entry still. Yeah, this one might be a stop out. Up here at 95. But we're back around entry, even though we came within probably a tick of our exit. So that's, yeah. Still looking for 85.
Order filled.
Got it. Second exit at 83, we'll see. Or we take a break even.
Stop filled.
Looks like we got break even. We got this wick here. Actually, I'm going to try and grab that for a long.
Order filled. Order filled.
And we got the long with 5 points.
Order filled.
Second target acquired. Yeah, that was a nice little wick. I don't know if you guys saw that, but if I zoom in, had this little wick right here. Then you had these topping wicks behind it. So yeah, nice little quick scalp to the long side there. Let's see. There's all our fills. Let's show the trade lines. If you can, man, they're really hard to see on this. Probably have to go to even like maybe a tick chart or something. Let's see, 2,000 ticks. Maybe even shorter than that. I don't know. Let's see. Thousand ticks maybe. Now you can kind of see it. Yeah, so we got one win there with a short. I think we got this win here on a long. Got a win and a break even. We got that win. Yeah, could have went for a short up here. Could also go for a long under here. Pretty much in the middle right now, so see what she wants to do. Still in the middle. Now if this is looking like more and more uptrend, I'm fairly hesitant on shorts. I know you're like, wow, you were pretty aggressively shorting this. It wasn't as clear of an uptrend until now that this is just consolidating. When it first gets into it, you tend to have the pullback on the first break. You know, that's my experience. But yeah, as you sit here and consolidate more, you can get the big squeezes, and we don't want to get in front of those. Although we wouldn't mind catching the any quick dumps below the lows. So you got one here. Let's try it actually. And you have this one back here too. Both
Order filled.
Both look pretty good. I'm going to push this target above that high. Yeah, and it did grab this low.
Stop filled.
And it stopped us out. Yeah, we got a bigger dump going on. So let's go to 1 minute. Because we got a low here. We got these lows back here. I think we'll try with this little bit of stalling action here. And these equal lows. See if we just grab this candle we made low. Doesn't really look like it's going to keep pushing much lower, so if we grab this low, I'm good with looking for a bounce.
Order filled.
We got it. And let's push that up a little bit more. Might be another stop out here, but if it does, go for the stop out. I mean, the deeper pullbacks are
Stop filled.
usually really good to really watch them go deep.
Order filled.
I'm going to shoot it here, but I am going to push targets up a little bit. And we might hit another. I don't know. It's chopping around the entry, so low side of entry. Pulling back now.
Order filled.
Target 1 acquired.
Order filled.
Target 2 acquired. Trailing stop following. What 2 points is plus 40. So we'll see what this wants to do here. Trailing stop. Oh, target 3 acquired. 157, 100. I'm hesitant to mess with my screen at all because when I mess with the screen it stops the recording. But yeah, so we took a couple losses. Probably lost 400 on that long and that long, but then we probably made 370, 470. So yeah, another bounce below this low would actually be a nice probably another nice long. Let's see if we get it.
Order filled.
Chopping around entry. Looks like we're
Stop
stopped.
filled.
Yeah. Stopped out, but then still
Order
kind of
filled.
bouncing. Let's try again. And I'm gonna push that target up a little bit if we do get a little bouncing here. Still around entry. Finding a little bounce. Looking for 63. Still around entry. Still looking for 63. Still around entry. Yeah, I don't like it when the bounces are slow. See, because now it's looking like it's going to stop us out. But, now we're looking for 63 again. So, you know, sometimes it's going to do this. Dance. Still around entry. See if we get the bounce here. I don't know, it's sure is dancing a lot down here. I mean, I'm tempted to actually put in a limit for 3 if this stops me out, to tell you the truth.
Order Stop filled.
And then potentially go maybe above the hike and a she highs. I don't know, that might have been a bad entry, but dancing around the new entry. Maybe pull this one down just a little.
Order filled.
Yeah, now we're rocking. Target 1 acquired.
Stop filled.
2 and 3 end up stopping out at plus 2 points. That's okay. That's still a profitable trade. Yeah, I had a feeling once we started to see this action we would get the bounce, but no worries. Yeah, nice squeeze here. Kind of have some equal wicks up here that we could try. Like right there. Let's see if we get filled here.
Order filled.
Okay. Grab the long. Definitely, what is it? Got close,
Stop
yeah.
filled.
There it is, stopped out. Let's go for a 3. I don't know. Might not get it, but yeah, I would imagine today's win percentage not as high as I had Monday or yesterday, but yeah, this entry, maybe had I just pulled it a little bit lower, would have been fine. But c'est la vie, right? You never know how deep the stop outs are going to go. I mean, and the way this is, let's kind of watch this for a second here. And also have this wick here. Yeah, We're gonna put it in, see if we
Order
get
filled.
yeah. Flip to red. It's kind of unfortunate. Moan it in, I guess. Doing a dance, let's see. Doing a little dance around entry. I like the targets above, so see if we get what we're looking for here. Looking for 72. Looking for 72. Yeah, that's not good.
Stop filled.
Yeah, tempting though, just to hit him with the
Order filled.
bigger position right there. We'll see if I'm right, but yeah, still got a little push left in it.
Stop
Oh,
filled.
Yeah, but I swear.
Order filled.
Yeah, even though, oh shoot, still got some push left in it.
Stop
Yeah,
filled.
I would say one
Order
last
filled.
try down here at this low. See if the bulls bounce this thing.
Order filled.
Got target one. And it's still dancing around, but
Stop filled.
the rest is break even. So, I don't know. I'm gonna
Order
buy it
filled.
back. Yeah, that was a quick little stab. Which makes me kind of want to go a little bit more on the targets here. Let's see. Sure is dancing a lot though on this spot.
Stop filled.
And there there's that. So I don't know though.
Order filled.
Yikes! I got in way too soon there. It looks like.
Order
Oh,
filled.
but then it's just like doing a nice bounce here.
Order filled.
2 targets pretty quickly acquired. We'll let this final runner run if it wants to run.
Stop filled.
It stopped out. $55.7. Yeah, we definitely kind of reversed into a downtrend, right? Let's go back to the 1 minute and just see. Yeah, I mean, we've broken below this level here at 750. Does feel like though that we're
Order filled.
holding up here, so let's see if I'm right.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
3 targets acquired there. Yeah, I think I'm basically break even for the day on my strategy. That's okay. Yeah, it's getting a little messy looking at that, so clear that off the chart. I'm really gonna have to probably get rolling here. With that double Vic though, we could yeah, we'll even actually lower that to 2. And then lower that.
Order filled.
Let's see. See if get caught in a squeeze here. Dancing around break even. Yeah, nearing the stop.
Stop filled.
some equal highs there. See if looks like we got a no fill. No fill. Oh well. This trading day's running a bit long, and I'm gonna have to start getting out of here. Yeah, now we're showing some reds. So probably miss this. Just push a little bit past my stop. Had a wick here. Didn't really consider it. Guess I would consider that one though. And potentially for a rally back above 56.
Order filled.
Go for the even number, 55 if we...
Stop filled.
No, we just blast off down to the... But, man, 40, 40... Quick stab below these lows and right back up to 45. So we'd already be back here, but yeah, the way these lows getting swept today, you gotta look a few points below them, or like a few points above them, I suppose. So if we got a big stab, say 64 3/4. Uh, 50 and maybe 55 1/4. Kind of got a chance for the re-stab here. Somewhere around 41. See what happens. We're dancing. Dancing right now.
Order filled.
Got filled. Filled on the dance, so that's always a good sign starting out. See how quick we can get to our take profits. Still dancing. A little bit more of a push there. Still dancing. Looking for 46 for target 1. $46. Needs like another 1.5. A couple more ticks. Another point. It's actually looking for what, 1.5 there. Still dancing. Man, must have came within a tick because I can see the top wick of that candle. Just barely missed target 1. Still dancing though. See if the dance. There, it's starting to squeeze.
Order filled.
There's target 1. Stop goes to break even. See if this thing gives us some continue. Yeah, it's pushing. We're at 50, which, yeah, we're still pushing. Bit of a rejection off of 50. I actually did think about pulling this back to 50 just because of the number, and now it looks like that number did have some effect.
Stop filled.
And now we're stopped out. I think if you grab below this low though, and conservatively target the bounce back to those numbers. What time is it? 48. I'm gonna have to get out of here. Yeah, I would have preferred to limit in here, but now we're pushing all of my targets.
Order filled.
Yeah, going over that high of that candle. See if we get a pull back to 50. I'm looking for 50.
Order filled.
And we did get the quick pull back to 50. We pulled our other targets down to 46, which actually maybe I'll just look at 47 because I would look for one tick below the low of the hike in a sheet candle, but it might just bounce us out here. And then yeah, these lows, but we'll see. see what she wants to do. I mean, could do anything.
Order filled.
Target 2 acquired. Trailing stop is blazing, and
Order
target
filled.
3 acquired. Alright, well that was a nice little short there above this candle's high. I think we ended up $400 for the day. Maybe 350, something like that. So a lot of trading, but a lot of back and forth today. I was up 157K at one point. No biggie though. Like, we didn't end in drawdown for one. And so that's already kind of a good sign. You know, the strategy is sound. Going after candle highs and lows. Like, this was potentially another good long trade right here, but it's late. I really got to roll out, so I'm going to call it a day here. So yeah, Trader Joe out.